Hi guys! So today for my Draw 1 presentation, I'll be sharing a list of the different tools, materials, and equipment that I use in class, home, and for my hobbies. I also explain how to store, clean, and maintain some drawing tool and identify the problem that may happen and how to fix them. So these are the essentials that help me create more productive and improve my skills as an artist. So let's start. Let's go. So I have here the three different types of pencil, which is the graphite, charcoal, and the mechanical. So let's start with graphite pencil. What is graphite pencil? So a graphite pencil is a writing or drawing tool with a core made of mixture of graphite and clay encased with a wood or another material. How should the item or tool be stored? It should be stored in a pencil case to keep the tip from breaking because keeping it in a pencil case protects the lid and prevents damage when you place inside your bag. And what is the proper way to maintain it? To maintain it, after you use the pencil, sharpen it gently and avoid pressing too hard when using it. Next is, what are the common problems or issues? The common problems or issue, the lid breaks easily, and to fix that, handle it carefully and avoid dropping it because dropping it or pressing too hard causes the cracks in the lid inside the pencils, making it to break often. What is charcoal pencil? So charcoal pencil, it consists of compressed charcoal enclosed in a jacket of wood designed to be similar to graphite pencils. While maintaining the most of the properties of charcoal, they are often used for fine and crisp detailed drawings while keeping the user's hand from being marked. So, how should the item or tool be stored? Just wrap it with tissue or store separately to avoid smudging because charcoal easily rubs off on other tools, so keeping it covered prevents mess. What is the proper way to clean and maintain it? Just wipe it gently after using it and don't press too hard when drawing. What are some common problems or issues? It smudges easily, so you can fix this by using a spray fixative or covering your drawing with paper. Because using a fixative spray locks the charcoal in a place so it won't smear your artwork. Least but not the least is mechanical pencil. So what is mechanical pencil? A mechanical pencil is a writing instrument with a replaceable graphite core that is mechanically extended, eliminating the need for sharpening like a traditional wooden pencil. The lid is advanced by a mechanism, typically a push button or shaker, and can be a variety of diameters for different uses, from fine drawings to general writing. How should the item or tool be stored? Just keep it in a pencil case to prevent the tip from breaking or bending. Because mechanical pencils have a small moving parts that can break if not protected. What is the proper way to clean and maintain it? Refill it with lid and clean the tip regularly to avoid jumps. Cleaning prevents the lid from getting stuck inside, keeping the pencil working smoothly. What are some common problems or issues? The lid sometimes gets stuck. Remove it and clean the inside of the pencil. Small bits of broken lid can block the mechanism, so cleaning it restores the normal use. We're done to different types of pencil, and now let's move on to eraser. So what is eraser? Eraser is a tool for drawing, a tool used to remove alighting marks made by pencils, charcoal, and color pencils. How should the item be stored? Keep it in a small case or small container to keep it clean, because dust and dirt can stick to the eraser and leave marks on your paper. What is the proper way to maintain and clean it? Wipe it off with tissue if it's get dirty because cleaning removes dirty spots so they won't smudge your drawing. What are some common problems or issues? It can get hard or dirty. Replace it with no longer erasers properly. Old erasers can damage paper, so it's better to use a new one for cleaning results. Next is ruler. What is ruler? A ruler is a tool used to measure length and draw straight lines. How should the item be stored? Store it in a flat notebook or drawer so it won't bend, because keeping it in flat surface can prevent warping, which can affect the accuracy of the lines. What is the proper way to clean and maintain it? Just wipe it with a dry cloth to remove the dust or ink. A clean ruler helps you to see the measurement lines clearly. What are some common problems or issues? Plastic rulers can crack if bent, so handle them gently. Crack rulers can make straight lines, so store and use them carefully. So what is protractor? It is an instrument for measuring angles, typically in the form of a flat semicircle marked with degrees along with a curved edge. How should the item be stored? Store it in a flat pencil case or flat folder to prevent bending or scratching. This keeps the angle accurate and easy to read. What is the proper way to clean and maintain it? Wipe with a soft, dry cloth to remove the dirt or ink marks. A clean surface makes the mark visual and accurate. What are some common problems or issues? The numbers may fade, and avoid using strong cleaning agents. Strong cleaners can erase the press markings, so use only gentle wiping. Compass. What is a compass? A compass in drawing is a technical instrument used to draw circles and arcs, consisting of two adjustable legs joined by a hinge. How should the item be stored? Keep it in a case or pouch to protect the sharp tip. The pointed tip can bend easily, affecting your circle drawings. What is the proper way to clean and maintain it? Wipe it after use and make sure the hinge is not too loose or tight. This keeps the compass smooth to use and ensures accurate circles. What are some common problems or issues? The pencil or tip might slip. Tighten the screw to secure it. Keeping all parts firm ensure precise circles without mistakes. And lastly is clipboard. So what is clipboard? A clipboard for drawing can refer to a physical drawing board with a clip. A physical drawing board is a rigid board used to hold paper for sketching and drawing. So how should the item be stored? Keep it flat in a drawer or on a shelf to avoid bending. This keeps the board smooth and steady for writing or sketching. What is the proper way to clean and maintain it? Wipe it gently with a clean or slightly damp cloth to remove dirt. A clean surface prevents smudges or marks on your papers. What are some common problems or issues? The metal clip can loosen, so tighten or replace it when needed. A tight clip keeps the paper secure, making it easier to draw neatly. And that's all. Those are my drawing tools, materials, and equipment, along with how I store, clean, and take care of them. Each item has its own purpose and importance in work, keeping my work clean, organized, and creative. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone.
Pero what if, sir, makrush back ko sa akong crush, no? Charot. Thank you, sir. Thank you for watching. God bless.